In this video, you're gonna remove the expansion tank. And first thing you need to do is remove the battery. And I'm gonna fast forward it.
Very good connection.
Sure. So you won't remove the fuse
What'll I remove?
fuse box?
Oh, we'll get there.
I thought that's the first thing you did before. That's
I'm a
just the
source of wonderment.
that's just the hose there.
Yeah.
It's piecing down. What's piecing?
Well, that's the, I had it pretty full. That's the windscreen washout fluid.
Okay.
Bloody hell. That's how we did it.
Plastic might break things.
Yeah. I need that. Oh no, I can just get it. You see crap quality, bloody won't hold it in there.
Your hand?
No, what I mean.
Voila! So that's the new expansion tank.
Yeah.
That's a steel one?
Yeah.
Alloy?
Aluminium probably.
Yeah, because before it been changed by plastic, they keep rotting up in this side, in this area. So
Only trouble here is there's no coolant level indicator. You have to actually look inside. With the other one's got a mark on the side because it's plastic. But anyway.
yeah.
Let's see if it fits. I'll tell you what.
More to your right.
Yeah, I know, but it won't move down here.
Oh yeah. Yeah. It's the bottom is square and it doesn't sit properly in there. It means you need to use the plastic one again. Lucky you got a plastic one. Brand new plastic one.
Mm.
Yeah. Okay, don't try to attempt putting the what you call this one, metal one, because it might not sit in your expansion tank location. If you want to compare the plastic one to metal one, it looks like this. It's look pretty well right, but we just don't know the shape of this one here and the shape of this one here, you know. So that's why it doesn't stick at the back, because the shape of this is roundish. Yeah, but the difference is
Yeah.
the shape. This one is snagging the thing here, as you can see. This one here. So if you can scrape this one, it's free to go. If you don't want to wreck the car, just for the expansion tank. So it means stick with the plastic. Okay, I'll start. Have another go.
Yeah, I only took that out to compare.
Wet right in.
Huh?
It's alright.
Just got to get this hose on. Okay. Sailor.
The sailorman. Hip, hip. Just to finish the video, this one will go there. This will go there.
All right. So we'll fill that up. So we'll. And
Okay.
here you go.